5 inches. Still kind of see some 600 scratches, so I'm going to go back to 800. $3,000. It's a little shinier than it was. You can obviously tell I did this kind of in a rush because you can still see the scratches from the prior grits. If you're gonna do this, take your time. Don't be like me. I'm out of time for today for this. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to put a custom logo on here, and I wanted to etch it. Doesn't have to be perfect. No one's really going to see this anyway, but looking under the car, if somebody looks really close, they'll be able to see a logo here. Alright, so I scratched it a little bit, but again, it doesn't matter. This doesn't need to be perfect. Anybody who has a Cricut or just was smarter than me and just printed the lettering directly onto the transfer paper, then yeah, you guys get kudos. But yeah, so here we are. Next step. Alright, so I have some salt water here. This was like, it was closer to 75% salt and a bit of water. So it's a very salty, briny solution. Quick proof of concept. Okay, it's working. I don't think you necessarily want to breathe in these fumes, so I'm gonna just unhook this. This is going pretty well. Cool. All right, so that's what we'll do. All right, so I think this gives off chlorine gas as well as hydrogen, which could be explosive and also just terribly toxic. So I'm doing this outside now. I'm also wearing a respirator. It gets a little hot, so I'm afraid of like causing a reaction or something. This is supposed to be a pretty safe thing, but this is actually like warming up a little bit. I'm just gonna have the battery to explode. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see how it looks. Hell yeah. Yo, this came out really cool. It's not perfect, of course, but I don't care. I think it looks amazing, and I am pleased as punch. That is awesome. Remember, if you're going to do aluminum electro-etching, that it does create some fumes, so you don't want to breathe that stuff in. Do it in a well-ventilated area. I don't think you need quite as much voltage as I was putting through this. I think you could do it with like a 9-volt battery or something. Oh man, I am super pleased with how that came out. What do you guys think? Let me know. Thanks for watching. See what happens. It's all about having fun, right? Just experimenting and having fun.